help function. Now, the help function allows us to print out the documentation of a Python function so we don't need to go to the internet to look it up, and we can really quickly get access to how a function works. Now, what this will do is read the doc strings of a function and simply give it to us. So what I can do is something like help, and then I can pass to this maybe the print function. And notice I'm not calling the print function, I'm just writing the name of it. And now when I run the code, you'll see that it actually prints out all of the documentation for the print function. This is what's contained in the doc string for it. So you can see it says print, it kind of shows you an example of how it works, and then it gives you a description of the different arguments or the parameters for this function. Now this also works for your own functions, so let me show you that. So you can see here I've written a custom function called testfunc, and I've just written a doc string for it just as an example so we can see how this works. Now when I run my code here, notice it will actually give me the documentation of this function. So it says A, B, and then the return type. Again, it's really just printing out what the doc string is that's written here. So this is useful for built-in functions, but also when you're working with a library or code written by other people. So you don't need to search through and find the actual function definition. You can just use this help function and it will print it out for you.